Yo, what it do? I'm over here picking up a soda. Picking up a pizza at the Little Caesars, Little Cheesers. And I see a lowrider. Which makes me think there's probably lowriders at Elysian Park, which is just up the street over here. Near Dodger Stadium. Let's go take a peek. And like that, maybe I get a... Well, you know what? My tire's bleeding to death. It's leaking air. I don't know why. I haven't driven it in like 2-3 days. So, go bust a quick one. A quick little mission. We just take a peek. We're gonna hang out there for too long. Whoa. Let's see. The sun decided to come out and peek its head because it's been dark and gray non-stop in LA. Tacos. There's a lot of people going around cruising and riding their motorcycles, their lowriders, all their little weekend mobiles. I just decided to get a pizza. I was like, get a pizza and real quick go back home, see what's on the tubes. This guy gonna stop or what? Like his size had the green for the longest. He just decided to go now. A big truck. Probably going somewhere. I'm trying to get somewhere before my tire ends up flat. When I connected the air compressor is at 2.7 pounds, so it's like almost nothing there. Almost what do they call it? Atmosphere. I said, I'm gonna pump up to 25 and I'm gonna take off. If I get back home and it's still at 23, I'll call it a win and just inflate it some more. But if not, then I'm gonna have to start looking for a nail or a screw or find out where the hell it's leaking from. Memorial Day sale. Oh, a whole little yard sale. Classic Volvo. BMW M3. Is it an M3? Yeah, it looks like an M3. But that's not what we're here for. It says local traffic only. That's not good. That's probably because something is going on over here. Let's see. So up here, this is Elysian Park. There's a bunch of cool hiking trails. You can go that way, and it connects through here. You could go up there. There's 2 different trails, and then there's a bunch of other little trails that split off, take you to different places. And then on the other side, there's more trails over there. So this is just one side. It's a pretty big park. So, well, I guess maybe not lowriders, but the people are out here. Memorial Day. It's also a good excuse to come and try out my new phone. Thanks to my wife's family, they got me this new what is it, the Samsung. Oh look, they're playing Connect 4. It's cool though. Got the S23 Ultra on deck. It's 8K compatible, I guess, but that'll take too long, so I'll just keep it at 4K, because on my other phone, which is over here in my other pocket, is all the old videos that you've been seeing, even the latest one with the screen printing, and the other one with at the fair. It's been this phone. Check it out. It's all beat up, seen better days. That's my cat, Tuxie. But yeah, so time to replace the old with with a new one, or maybe I'll just keep two phones on me, and like that I can get different angles. What do you guys think about that? Po. So Dodger Stadium's right here. You see my Dodger Stadium video. Dang, these dudes are about to crash, and I'm the one over here recording. Yeah. Oh, I guess there's a game. Is there a game going on? I haven't been keeping up with the season. But yeah, there's something going on. Windshield's all messed up. You see all this? Don't park under trees. My wife likes to keep the van clean, and you park under a tree or under any of these poles, and the pigeons will get you. It's kind of pointless to wash or clean your car in LA. Is that Subaru? He's gonna make a right. Wrong lane. Yeah, whenever there's a game, you'll see a bunch of cones like that. And they split up different routes, and then you can't go a certain way. See, like right there it says local traffic. Well, I guess I am local traffic, so we just cut through right here at the. You know what? Nah, let's cruise down right here. I don't think I'm taking you guys on this way, but if you're coming from Chinatown up and over the hill, Elysian Heights over here, and Angelino Heights from my other video, remember that? You swoop in straight into Echo Park. You have, I think, what is it called? Compadres right here. El Compadre. My bad. El Compadre. You got the short stop. This place is historical. I don't go there anymore because one time they told me they was, that the ID that I had wasn't my ID, and that all the other credit cards that had my same name in my wallet wasn't me. So I was like, you know what? That's it. I'm not going there anymore. Boycott that spot. So, but also the short stop used to be like a cop hangout. So yeah. And if I mean, just overall, it's just kind of like one of those places that locals don't go to. Ooh, that's a nice Mustang. Just because if you want to drink, you're probably gonna go here to the Gold Room. There's a bunch of other cool little bars now, but the Gold Room used to be my old watering hole right there. Old memories. But yeah, if you're gonna be right there waiting for the Popo right here. Yep. You're gonna be waiting to get served or to get like a drink. It gets hella packed. What was cool about the short stop before is they used to have like Motown nights, where it was only Motown, and they had like oldie nights and then electronic nights. So, you know, depending on what day of the week you would show up, they would be playing a certain type of music, a certain genre, which is pretty cool. Echo Park is popping. People are out here. Indecisive drivers don't know where they're going. Gotta be careful. There's people trying to look for parking. Other people just dropping stuff off. Let's see, little tents selling stuff. Oh, look. Ice cream truck. Yeah, conveniently got the red light. Let's just stop here and slow down for a quick second. That's cool. Duck swans. What duck swans? The swans are out on the lake. Paddle boats. That's a cool little shag wagon over there. Those old vans are coming back. That van life. That like surfer Spicoli surfer vans are starting to get trendy over here in LA. There's not too many of them, but like if come across them, like pretty much anything under 2000s, like 90s and older, is what's in demand right now. Of course, the new stuff. People always want the new stuff, but classic vans are coming back around again. There's that skater pool. We'll probably pull up in there one of these days. Go and check it out. Got a few skater friends I still talk to, so we'll probably go over there and meet some of the local kids, catch some local vibes, see what it's all about. But yeah, back over here, Echo Park. I'ma probably cut it right here because there's not much going on past over there. So, till next time, peace.